Hello everyone, this is your homework today. So today we still have a reading practice, right? And it's about the dish. It's about dishes. My favorite dish. So you will listen to the recording, reading this text, and then I'll give you some questions. Now let's get started.
91. Listen and read.
My favourite dish.
I'm Mehmet, and I'm from Turkey. Turkish food is delicious, and it's healthy too. We eat a lot of fresh vegetables, like peppers, onions, and aubergines. We also eat a lot of meat, lentils, beans, yogurt, and nuts. In the summer, the weather is very hot, so we often eat light meals with lots of vegetables and fruit. My favourite dish is kebab. It's a traditional Turkish dish, and it's traditional in lots of other countries too. You can have doner kebabs or shish kebabs. A doner kebab is meat cooked in a large block. You cut small pieces of meat from the block and put it in a piece of flat bread called a pita. A shish kebab is pieces of meat cooked on a stick. I usually put some tomatoes, onions, cucumber, and yogurt in the pita with my meat. Kebabs are very tasty.
My name's Arisa. I'm from Thailand. At mealtimes, we eat soups, salads, curries, and fried dishes. We usually have a dessert too. Some Thai dishes are very spicy. We sometimes have spicy food for breakfast too. I like curry and rice with an egg on top for breakfast. My favourite Thai dish is mango and sticky rice. It's a very sweet dish. You cook the rice with coconut milk and brown sugar. Then you make a sauce with more coconut milk and sugar. You put the rice and some fresh mango on a plate. Then you put some of the sauce on top. You can eat it hot or cold. I often make mango and sticky rice with my grandma. We eat it for dessert or for a treat on a hot day. It's delicious.
Okay, this is the end of the recording about favorite dishes, right? So the first text is about Mehmet, and he's from Turkey, right? And Turkish food is delicious. So delicious means not tasty, like I said before, is good. And it's healthy. So when something is healthy, it's good for your health, right? For example, drinking 2 liters of water a day is a healthy habit. And we eat a lot of fresh vegetables. So a lot of, it means many, it means much, right? So they eat many vegetables like peppers, onions, and aubergines. And aubergines aubergines is another way to say eggplant. Right? Lentils. So lentils, it means that, wait a minute. Lentils is a kind of high protein pulse that is dry and then soaked and cooked before eating, right? Lentils. Okay. Now traditional, it also means customary. For example, áo dài is traditional clothes in Vietnam, right? Or phở is traditional dish in Hanoi. So it's a traditional Turkish dish. All right. And next one, fried dishes. So fried dishes is the kind of food that you fried in the fire, right? We have fried rice, and now we have fried dishes. Now sauce is a kind of soup. It's a kind of sauce that you have with. For example, if you have a spring roll, so it makes the dish like more delicious when you have it with sauce, right? Dressing. And a treat is a behaved word to deal with in a certain way. So for example, he had been brutally treated. So treat somebody is treated brutally, like rudely, right? He treated her with grave courtesy. So treat something as mean regard something as. Okay, so now I have some questions for you. What does mermaid eat with his kebab meat? What does mermaid eat with his kebab meat? What did he eat with kebab's meat? So the correct answer is he usually puts some tomatoes, onions, cucumber, and yogurt in the pita with his meat, right? Now next question, what are the ingredients in mango with sticky rice? What are the ingredients? So ingredient is the things that you want to, the things that you need to make a kind of fish, right? Any the foods or substances that are combined to make particular dish, right? Component or piece. So what are the ingredients in mango with sticky rice? So the ingredients are coconut milk, sugar, rice, and mango, right? Coconut milk, sugar, rice, and mango. Have you ever cooked a dish? So guys, have you ever cooked a dish? Yes or no? For example, yes, I have. Sometimes with my parents, sometimes with my parents aren't home. So I would cook by myself. So yes, I have cooked the dish. And what was it? So because I'm not a good cook, so I only cooked some simple food like fried rice, eggs, or vegetables, right? And what's your favorite dish and what are the ingredients? Now this question is for you. What is your favorite dish and what